Today we're going to be taking a look at this property listed in Delano, California for $449,000. It's a 3-bedroom, a 2-bathroom. It also has solar and the year built is 1961. Even though it's an old one, it is a diamond in the rough. Whoever buys this property can definitely make those upgrades and make this property shine. You're also going to be surprised with the backyard, so make sure to stick around till the end to look at that. The first room that we have here is the primary, and let me give you another angle of this room. Also next to it is the primary bathroom, which also needs some work, but with a little bit of creativity and modern touches, this bathroom is also sure to shine. Before taking a look at the rest of the property, I do want to let you know that if you're a first-time home buyer, I do have a great loan officer that can see how much you qualify for and if you qualify for down payment assistance. So make sure to send me a message or give me a call so I can set you up with an appointment. And here we have the second bathroom. Let me give you another side angle. Then to the side, we also have the vanity. Now let's go back to the hallway and take a look at the rest of the rooms here on my right hand side. In the hallway, you can also see that there's a lot of cabinets for storage. Other loan programs that might be of interest to you are USDA loans and VA loans. If you do qualify for these type of loan programs, you might be able to put zero towards down payment. I also help out with these type of loan programs, so make sure to reach out. From this second bedroom, let's head to the side to the third room. Let's take a closer look of the inside of this bedroom. And also, one of the things that I personally like is this built-in study in the corner. Down below in the comments, let me know what has been your favorite feature about this property so far. Next, let's go and take a look at the living room area, which also has a fireplace that you can see there in the corner. From this living room area, you also do have additional space back here where the previous owner had it set up as a bar/office area. So let me walk towards the back here and give you another side angle of this whole room. I also want to let you know that if you or anybody that you know is interested in selling a property in Delano or surrounding areas, you can schedule a consultation with me where I'll go over a free market analysis report on how much your property might be able to sell in today's market. If you stayed up to this point in this video, I'm going to be showing you the amazing backyard. Here you can see the covered patio where you can enjoy the shade and hot sunny days like this. Now let's go and take a look at this beautiful swimming pool. Next to the pool, there's also a spa tub where you can enjoy and relax. Additionally, you can also see that this pool is closed off by a black gate, which is perfect if you're a person that has pets or children. You will definitely enjoy this swimming pool and hot sunny days like this in Delano. Or if you're a person that likes to entertain guests, you will surely enjoy hosting pool parties and cookouts here. And here's another view of the full swimming pool. Heading back inside the property, we're now in the kitchen. We have a full-size kitchen, and over here to the side, you have a top-of-the-line built-in stove. You also have a lot of cabinets to store your kitchen items. And over here to my right side, you have a dishwasher. Next to that, you also have a built-in oven and more cabinets that you can use as pantry space. To the left-hand side, you have your hookups for a refrigerator. And here, this room would be your laundry room. Next up, we have the garage that you can use to store your cars or even possibly turn into a home gym. And if you like working on cars, additionally, you're gonna be liking this room to the side, which you can use as a workstation and also store your tools. Or if you have kids, this room can also be turned into a study area or an entertainment room. And here's another angle of the full room before we go outside. I do also want to mention that the property has a solar system, and here to the sides you can see that the whole property is surrounded by brick wall. You also have a second covered patio on this side of the property, grass area for your pets or kids to play in, and a storage room for your gardening tools. And here's another full view of the backyard of the property. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like or leave a comment.